Hi everyone, welcome to H Strategy Creation. Friends, today I try to lay out a rural scene and it must be from the imagination. I am keeping a village house in the middle of my board. This type of house is always seen in the villages of West Bengal. Except this house, I want to keep a sky in my sketch. Not only that, I will surely put some trees, bushes, land, and rural road in my layout. Of course, I would like to play interesting game with the perspective. Let's see how they are. Finally, this is our layout. Let's convert our layout to a collage art. The house has been created. Let's put the paper on the bushes. It's okay. Let's put the paper in the big tree in front of the house. Today it is. The next Sunday, we will finish the rest of the collage. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.